Thank you so much for clicking on this video. You did read the title correctly. I do nearly crash my drone into a river and lose it. The reason I'm sharing this video with you is I'm a great believer in learning from your mistakes or learning from other people's mistakes. So I'm going to talk you through the whole process and the story of what led up to the crash. If you don't want to go through it all though, I'll link the timestamp below so you can just see the crash part of it. But I really hope you sit and watch the whole video because you may learn something and it may just save your drone. So let's jump into the video. Okay, so I've just taken off and I've flown the drone over the middle of the river. I'm behind and slightly to the left of this shot. As we move forward over the river, we're going to fly under the bridge and round the corner. Now this water is extremely deep, probably 20 to 30 foot deep I've been told. And the clearance between the river and the bridge is about 8 foot, I would guesstimate. Now, as we go under the bridge in a minute, we're going to lose GPS signal and the drone's going to go into ATI mode. So it's going to be a bit skitterish, but I want you to notice what happens when we come out the other side of the bridge. I'll be quiet and see if you notice it. Hopefully you saw that. It jumps forward slightly and to the right. That is not me inputting it on the sticks. Anyway, we've completed that run and now I'm going to turn around and bring the drone back. So I've turned the drone around and I've lined myself up and we start to move forward, and instantly I notice that the drone's starting to drift slightly to the right. I start to counter this with a bit of left hand into the forward stick. Now I believe this might be because of the sensors under the drone not being able to get a proper reading off the water. If you can confirm this, comment below. But again, as we go under the bridge, we're going to lose GPS and it's going to come a little bit skittish. But watch what happens now. Yep, I nearly end up in the water. Let's watch it again at 50% as I go under the bridge. I'm giving it slightly left hand joystick here to keep it to the left to stop it from flying to the right. But as we come out, it suddenly speeds up and jumps to the right. Now, I don't know whether this is because it re-engages GPS or the sensors underneath the drone can't register the water. Like I say, if you know why, comment below. But the drone dropped probably 2-3 foot there. Definitely a brown pants moment. I thought it was in the water. It would never been recovered. And I got very lucky. Anyway, managed to regain control. No damage to the drone at all. Flew it straight back again. And there it is. So there you go, got completely lucky there. It was not my drone piloting skills that saved me. The vine of the branch wrapped around the propeller. As the drone fell, started to twist upside down, it untangled itself, and then the drone, thank God for DJI, it righted itself. And yeah, managed to save it from going in the water itself. Nothing to do with me at all. So definitely a brown pants moment there, guys. But let me know your thoughts on this. What made it shoot across? Was it because it was still in ATI mode, which is more than likely? Was it the sensors on the bottom that couldn't read the river? Let me know your thoughts. But thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see that full video, the cinematic that come of that, check it out up here. It's the autumn day video. But thank you so much for watching. If you want to see further videos from myself, make sure you like, share and subscribe. And we'll catch up soon. Thanks for watching.